Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. I'm going to do a little unboxing this morning. Went to Menards this weekend, picked up a couple things, and saw a whole bunch of these Masterforce knives out there that I've never seen before. They had like a whole line of them, about 12 different knives or so. So I grabbed a couple of them. Here's one of them I'm going to open up and use my Microtech stitch, do the unboxing with. Carpenters folding knife, heat treated liner lock with lanyard hole. 8C13 MOV steel. There's specifications on it. Little Tanto point with serrations on it. Don't really like to combo these too much with the serrations, either like full serrations or none, but for a work knife, I think this will work pretty good for cutting bands and zip ties and opening boxes and whatnot. Centering's favoring the clip side just a little bit. Oh, it is a button opener with a liner lock, I believe, so. Yeah, I never understood why they do that. Why don't they just make it a button lock? I think it's supposed to be like a Milwaukee fastback. Actually, I haven't seen Milwaukee's version of this, but I have seen some versions that they have of the other knives that Masterforce had at the store, and some of them were identical. I've got one of them to do an unboxing on later, but they should just made it a button lock so you can unlock it with the button too, but no, you gotta use a liner lock to unlock it and the button to open it. It's a little stiff. Gotta give it a pretty good whip to get it open, but I'm sure that'll loosen up. It's not dropped shut by any means or anything like that. I think this knife was like $8 or $9 on sale. Got a wire clip. It's got some rubber inserts on the top and the bottom of the handle to make it more comfortable. You can't really use the thumb studs to open it because it has this lock button here. So I don't actually know why they put those on there. You have to unlock it to open it, so you can't use the thumb studs at all, which that's pretty stupid. So yeah, them thumb studs are useless. No blade play, absolutely no blade play at all, up and down or side to side. Really good lockup on the liner lock. I like this blade shape. See how sharp it came from the factory. Try this regular edge. Pretty sharp. Point's pretty sharp. See how sharp the serrations are. They're not too bad, but they're not super sharp. It's hard to catch some serrations just right. Not bad for $8 or $9. Not bad at all. Got a nice full grip, nice shape, nice little palm swell. Rubberized texture gives it a good grip. It's comfortable, has no hot spots. Reverse grip is comfortable too. Not bad at all for the price. I'm impressed. I would recommend it for a cheap work knife, or anybody that just wants a blade to beat around with. Thanks for watching.